Roy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Roy's Life.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Hey everyone, today I want to share another collection of toy that I have. This is my boat. It's a 2000 Maxim made by Bayliner. I've had it for about 6 years, maybe 7 years. Right now I want to show it to you because we're going to actually start remodeling it. So we're going to be in the process of doing that, and I want to be able to just show you a little bit about what we're going to do. At this time, we've kind of already started. The interior is already taken out, and the engine compartment, all that's already taken out. And, once we go a little further into it, I'll get some pictures and more videos that show you, give you an update. But as right now, I'll show you the outside. It's a red and white exterior. It's actually called a cabin cruiser. On the inside here, we've got a bedroom, got a bathroom and shower, got a kitchenette that has a sink, has a cabinet, actually several cabinets, has a refrigerator, and also a microwave. So you pretty much practically live in this thing. It's got also a lower area where it has another bedroom. It's got a really good sound system. It's got a big screen TV. It's got a generator, so you can actually stay on the water without actually coming back to shore. The engines, it's got two V6 Vortec engines, super powerful. It actually this thing can cruise at about 60 miles per hour. It uses a lot of gas driving that fast, but it's fun. Like I mentioned, I've owned it 6 or 7 years. I would mainly go out on Lake Ray Hubbard. It's a lake here in the Dallas area. I like to spend a lot of time on it with my daughters. We can ski behind it. We can pull floats and things behind it. Also have a good party on it. It can hold about 15 people. Like I said, currently we're going to remodel it. It's usually much shinier. The outside is it's a gel coat, and it's not very shiny right now. But once we get into it and start cleaning it and buffing it up, it'll actually be a lot shinier. Look like new. The boat's been setting probably now for about 1.5 years without me doing anything to it as far as using it, taking it out of the water, thing like that. So I'm looking forward to really getting back together and getting it back on the water. I think that this is probably going to take probably around 3 or 4 months maybe to complete the project, but I look forward to continuing it. As far as boats are concerned, if you own a boat, then you know what I'm going to say. If you don't own a boat, maybe you consider this if you're going to buy one. Boats are kind of like money pits. You can spend a lot of money for really little bit of use. As much money I spent on this boat, I probably could have paid for one of my children's colleges. So take that into consideration. We have a lot of fun. There's a lot of things we can do on a boat, and looking forward to remodeling and finishing it. Like I said, I'll send you some more videos and get updates as things progress. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe so you can see when new videos come out. We try to put them out every Wednesday. Thank you for letting me share my life with you on my YouTube channel, Roy's Life. Thank you. See you later.